Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by forcing WinRe, power cycle 3 times, or use installation media to access recovery. Once there, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings and enable Safe Mode so you can work without the blocking process. You should disconnect non-essential peripherals and have a record of recent drivers or updates you rolled in last 2 days. This reduces variables and lets you undo the likely cause. Make sure to note error text and any process names shown on the blue screen before proceeding. You'll open an elevated command prompt in WinRe or Safe Mode and run sfc/scano to repair protected system files. Follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth to fetch fixes. Once done, reboot to Safe Mode and remove recently installed drivers or Windows updates that coincide with the error. You can use Device Manager or Settings. If a specific system process, like CSRSS, EXC, or WinLogin is implicated, replace the corrupted file only from a trusted source, or perform an in-place repair to avoid mismatched binaries. Once file repairs and driver rollbacks are complete, attempt a normal boot. If the error persists, use System Restore to revert to a known good point. If Restore is unavailable, prepare a repair install or reset this PC after backing up personal files. Make sure to run a bootable antivirus scan and check memory with Memtest86, as corrupted RAM can trigger 0xc00021a. If you reach a clean install, document product keys and ensure backups. And if anything fails, repeat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.